Hi everyone, this is the third part of the frog repair, and I'm its coach.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and we got the up and down head movement to work.
Yeah.
Should we show them that real quick?
Well, let's put it back together. We glued it like we did that last time.
Should we test it real quick first?
Yeah, I'll hold it together like that.
Yeah, we got this.
Now you can
Yeah, because we glued this.
see if it works.
It should.
It is stuck. Oh, I think that glue let loose. Try it again.
It got loose again? With it? I think it's too tight. It moved. Uh-oh, it didn't end down.
Try it one more
Can
time.
we put it down real
Try it one more time.
Oh my gosh. It's stuck again. I can see it stuck there.
Keeps getting stuck. Try it one more time.
Last time, okay? Sorry about all the buzzing sounds, but that's just spinning side to side movement.
Yeah, it's that the glue let loose where we glued it.
How though?
It just did. See, that came right off.
Whoa!
I thought that glue would be enough to hold it. Because there's nothing else in there to hold it other than glue.
I know it probably wouldn't work like that, but can we try it without this little piece?
Well, this is what spins. This is what's hooked
Well,
to the motor
that's
to
what
make
I
it spin.
thought. But
Go get
we'll
that
just-
glue. Go get that glue real quick.
what glue?
The glue that I used. It's in the drawer in there. No, the other drawer to the right.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, the little one.
The little one.
The little bottle.
You talking about the super glue?
Yeah.
Oh, here's a little
Mm-hmm.
Roar! I'm a gorilla on this glue bottle. Maybe we're not letting it dry enough. Wait, does this mean we're gonna need a fourth part?
Probably. The glue don't want to stick, buddy.
Well, then try a different glue.
This is the best glue we got.
That's not sticking. We have to try a different glue.
It's almost empty, so it doesn't want to come out.
Maybe that was the problem with all of that. Maybe it was getting all dry and it wasn't making it stick. There's probably some chunks in there that was already dry. Or maybe we're just not
Plenty of glue.
we might not be letting it dry enough.
We let it dry for 2 days.
There's a web.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, I put a whole bunch of glue on it. That don't hold it, nothing's gonna hold it.
Wait, then we won't be able to fix it.
We said that at the beginning, that there's a chance we won't be able to fix it.
So
But
I
we
was
will try,
thinking,
right? I think what we'll do is we'll put it back together with it glued. I got it.
wait, while it's not dry?
Yeah, and then we'll let it, because this will hold it together nice and tight.
But I was thinking last night, while I was in bed before I fell asleep, I was thinking, now that we know that the head is supposed to end down, I was thinking, that this right here might be the front.
Might be.
The head up and down movement just kind of reminds me of Harold, the turkey,
The turkey, yeah.
sings that Christmas carol at the halls.
Mm-hmm.
And there's like one with a guitar that sings Voice Nobby Die.
Yeah.
And Harold sure is a holiday turkey.
Mm-hmm.
And there's one where it sings Jingle Bells.
Mm-hmm.
But the one that I have sings Deck the Halls.
Yeah.
And they even have the Harold the turkeys that are for Thanksgiving.
Mm-hmm.
And that one usually sings. That one should be an easy answer. Take a guess on that.
Whoa. The gears fell out. Uh-oh.
What?
The gears fell out. I don't know where they go now. That one goes there.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
The Thanksgiving Harold singing turkey. What song do you think that one sings? It's something about turkeys and something you use to drink. And the turkey is like stuck in it.
Mm-hmm.
And I guess you don't know the song Turkey in the Straw?
Turkey in the Straw. No, I don't know that song.
Okay. There's one other song that I don't know what the name of it
Remember how
is.
this all goes back together.
Maybe we can watch the first part again.
I'm remembering.
That went there.
Yeah.
That little piece up there is pushed down.
Mm-hmm.
Is this supposed to be?
Yep.
I thought we were having problems with that too. So I was just thinking, is some of this supposed to stick down in this little tiny hole?
Yeah, part of it does. That's kind of how it locks together.
Oh yeah, because there's a hole there too. We can put back together like that. Like, are we gonna put like even the complete body shell on it too? Again?
Not quite yet. I don't think. We'll just.
Well, we don't want the video to be too quick.
Yeah. There we go. Now it went together.
Now to put that there.
These screws in. That's too big a screw. That's the big screws.
And guys, I did tell my dad, I think it was actually yesterday, where we would have another repairing video besides finishing this one in the fox.
What?
It was that puppy changing battery one. It's like an ornament, but it's sealed. Oh yeah, and guys, when my dad had like the big drill on the second part, did we even send the second part yet?
Yes, we did.
Yeah, he like turned that one screw into sand. And this is what is left of it. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's like just a little round thing, and on the back is like no screw-wise thing.
No, I
And
had to throw it out because it was stripped.
I kind of want it. Just want this weird looking thing. It's like a project we made.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little round metal thing. And I want to keep it. Put it in one of those little drawers in my room. Wait, then how will we be able to screw in this part?
Can't screw anything in on that one. Okay, so this now.
We can't play it while that glue is trying to dry, can we?
No, I'm just putting the pieces back together.
Did we make this second part last night?
No, it's night before last, I think. Oh,
Ah.
can you go get me a paper towel? I want to clean that off before I put the cap on it.
Just gonna get a napkin, okay?
I guess.
You don't need a big sheet of paper for something little. Just my room. This little round thing.
No, because it'll just get lost, buddy. And it's just scrap.
Now I just want to put it in like one of those little bins.
There. Get the wires out of the way so I don't pinch them.
Now how did the head connect to that again to make the head turn to?
There. There's that piece. And then the head connects right up here.
Yeah, because if you guys know, when not only the bottom spins, but the head kind of turns too. And one horse open sleigh, and over the hill we go, laughing all the way. Now I'm out to rain, making spirit bright. How fun it is to ride and sing and slang
What was
songs.
this piece for? I forgot about this piece.
Uh-oh.
I remember taking this out.
Do you think we might have already, like, screwed it up? Like where that went?
It's got one screw hole, a little square. Where might that have gone?
Maybe somewhere inside of the head?
I don't think so.
I don't even remember ever seeing that.
I remember taking it off. I just don't remember where. Might have to watch the video of the first part. Figure out where we took it off.
Well, maybe before we make a fourth part, yeah, we're gonna need a fourth part
Mm-hmm.
just for repair. We might even need a fifth part.
A fifth part.
I have had a fifth part on my YouTube channel before.
You have?
That was making the cake pops.
Oh yeah.
They looked like Starbucks ones. Speaking of that, I had one of those today.
How'd you get a Starbucks cake pop?
When you bought Starbucks?
When I bought you one?
I didn't even know that I was getting one. Does it go up there? Well, that's how
I'll
the
have to
head
watch
turns.
the video. Find out where this goes.
That would look weird. Are you gonna put that shell back on yet?
Oh, I bet you I know.
You know? What?
Yep.
What?
The head's not supposed to go that far. This stops the head and holds it straight up.
Ah.
Goes on just like that.
Wait, but then we have to wait for the head to be up. We would have to wait for the head to be up then.
Mm-hmm.
And we can't put it up or we'll break it. And now it's just stuck there.
Yeah. Take this back apart. Just the head piece.
I mean, I don't think it would be a problem without this.
Maybe that's why it's not working. That's why it's going so far forward. Maybe that's what's messing it up, because that thing's supposed to stop it.
Oh, maybe. Now that we've glued it almost over 50 times? No, just a couple.
Just a couple times.
But still, seems like a lot. Yeah, I bet that's why. You getting out corrosion? Oh, you're getting out the screw.
Getting out the screw.
I'm like, why would there be corrosion in a sand toy that's not in the battery pack? But that glue is not dry still.
I know. That's on that little piece.
Oh, so you can put it back up again?
Yeah, put it back up.
And then it'll stop. So are you just going to take that glue out?
Mm-hmm. Now then I'm going to put this piece back on. I didn't touch a piece that had the glue on it. Now I can put this piece back in here.
I don't think it needs glue now that that thing can. So I bet we can probably just put the shell back on. Ooh. Got it. Yeah, I bet we can put the shell back on. So maybe we won't need a fourth part.
Yeah, to test it out, because we still got to let that glue dry.
Oh yeah.
Because that's the gear on the motor that drives everything. We just didn't put the stopper on for the neck. There we go. So his head is supposed to be straight up and down, like we thought.
Wait, but then do you think that would stop it too much?
No, it just stops it going straight, and then it goes this way. So this is the front.
Oh, that's the front?
Mm-hmm. The front is facing me right now. So it's heading over down.
Oh, I thought the face was supposed to be right here. Wait, the front is supposed to be here because the speaker's right here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, we ain't put that back on yet.
No, but the speaker's still over here. The speaker would be in the front.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty much the only... There's quite... With the skin on this, you see quite a bit of green. There's a Christmas tree on this thing. The skin is green. There's green in the sweater. But on the inside, it's just the neck and the maybe a couple of cords and the circuit board. But all circuit boards are green, I think. Oh, we're putting the skin back on. I mean the fabric back on. Why do I keep saying skin-wise stuff? The shell.
The shell, yeah.
And that's what it looked like at first.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, now I recognize that look, now that it's up there.
We'll snap back together.
Wait, how did that go back together again? Was it screwed together?
Yeah, I got the screws right in front of me.
And you have to kind of pop it together too.
Yeah.
Where are all the screw holes?
right in front of me.
Screw hose.
Oh, they're right here.
Oh yeah, the eyes. I haven't actually. I don't think I've ever watched any of the frog repairs yet, except a little bit of the first part of the frog repair. I've watched the sand one like a million times. But there's just 2.
There's some red pieces all the way on.
But it's Navidad. But it's Navidad. For some reason I got Feliz Navidad stuck in my head instead of Jingle Bells.
Mm-hmm.
Or should I say Ribbit Bells?
That piece not want to go on.
It'll probably go in all the way when you put the screws back in. What's not going in all the way? I mean, like, what's the problem?
I don't know. I think maybe it goes this way.
That's what I thought. Or is it still doing the same thing? Does it matter which way it really is? I mean, the head would just go back when it's supposed to go down.
There we go. There. I was putting the shell on backwards.
That's what I thought.
Now we got it the right way.
Oh yeah. Speaking of this, the frog gets skin off. Well, I'm gonna take my skin off and go surfing.
Take your skin off and go surfing.
Look at my
Onion.
shirt.
Oh.
It's a skeleton going surfing.
there's Surfing skeleton.
Yeah. It's a new shirt. It was when I got that shaken booty at Walmart, wasn't it? The Father's Day one? Yeah. And also the first part of the Santa repair is when the day we made the first part of the Santa repair, you guys, I got this shirt.
Mm.
Because I remember on the first part of the Santa repair, we went to Walmart and I showed them their shaken booty, which I said I got today, which was not today, it was the day we made that video.
Yeah.
And I'm still holding this.
You're still holding that little thing?
Yeah. Woo, Mommy's making that lunch. I got an inches. Yes, we're going to a graduation party today. So, and my pizzas I usually have for lunch, but that little girl went out of my face, you little pesky baby fly.
Those little gnats. They are all over the place.
And we all think it's from
From that flower, probably.
the flowers, the purple orchids I gave my mom for Mother's Day.
It could be.
I just think it's because the house is new. And what does the computer sound come from? Computer?
I don't hear a computer sound.
Well, I heard like some sort of clicking sound.
It was probably this.
Well, it sounded like it was coming from the
There.
living room.
Okay.
Wait, we can't try it though.
No, we can't try it. We'll let the glue dry one more time. And then we'll try it out. And however it works, that's what it'll be. And we'll put it back together. Hopefully the head will work and the body will spin. But
Mm-hmm. Well, look, body just kind of twists.
yeah, twist back and forth. But however it's going to be, that's the way it'll be, I guess.
Mm-hmm. But, real quick, can we put the coat back on it?
On there?
No, on here.
Oh,
On the frog skin.
I guess.
Just real quick, while the video's still going. Maybe a little longer. So, the next 4th part won't be too long.
No, we'll just have to test them real quick.
Mm-hmm. And put the skin back on.
Or we can put the skin back on and then test them at the end.
Well, I want to test it with the skin off too.
With it off, see how it works with it off.
And see how wobbly it is.
Mm-hmm.
We might have to do that on the floor or it might fall off the
I think it'd be fine right there.
table. Well, it really wobbles.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So,
Okay.
nap on it. Bye, everyone. If you like my video, subscribe. Bye. And stay tuned for probably tomorrow for the first
Yeah.
part. Or maybe
Part
tonight.
4. Maybe tonight for part 4. Yeah.
Yeah, because it might be dry by then.
It should be.
Yeah,
Okay.
then we can try it tonight.
Okay.
Okay. Bye. See you tonight.
Bye.
Bye everybody.